Here's the Astro Excel chart for the week of December 23rd. We're going to have light days Tuesday and Wednesday and low volume all week long, most likely. The most active days will probably be Monday. And then Friday, Thursday might be a little bit light also. Green line is pretty much below zero, down between -8 and -10 all week long. We start to get a push up on Wednesday where we peak out early Thursday morning about 2 a.m. Then we get the sharpest, one of the sharpest moves of the week to the downside, basically for the duration of the day session until about 3 o'clock when it starts to turn up. Stays flat though, still below -3, -10. Bottoms out Friday, 6 a.m. and then has a pretty good push up for the rest of the day on Friday. Got a lot of upside peaks on the blue line. Starting here today at 11 a.m. for a significant spike. Tomorrow or overnight we've got this 1 a.m. peak and then a noon peak. I think we've got an early close Tuesday anyway. Wednesday is going to be closed. Thursday we've got a peak right at the end of the day session. And then one peak Friday, 9 a.m. Downside spike on Thursday at 1300. And that's what we're looking at for this week.